Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make this rectangle sofa, simple or Japanese rectangle sofa like this. First of all, we have to select this tool with rotated rectangle, and then we can place on this position, and then we can drag to the right or to the left around 2 meters. So you can type on your keyboard 2 meter or 2000 millimeter. Then you have to you have to set the width of the sofa. It's around 800 millimeter. Okay, just like this. And then we have to uh, push it up around 50 millimeter. Or okay, okay. So we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can make the uh, support. We can make the support of the chair. We can push it up until 550 millimeter. Triple click, make group. Or if you feel it's too large, too big, you can push it until down. Okay, so you can move, make component first, create. Then you have to move this one to the correct position. I will show you about how to move to the how to make the correct position. So you have to select the rectangle, and then you have to draw from this diagonal, and then you have to offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Okay, so you have to click and right click and erase, and then you can triple click this outline, right click and erase. So you can move in this position approximately just like this. Then you have to move and duplicate until this position. Then you have to move and duplicate until the another position. Then you have to triple click, right click, and erase. So you have to make it all to be one group. Select this object, right click, and just make group, and right click and flip along to the blue axis. Okay, so you can see about this. And then if you feel it's too height, you can scale and push it a little bit down right there, or just scale a little bit up. Then throw the you can throw the rectangle again right there. Okay, sorry, you can throw the rectangle again from the diagonal to diagonal, and triple click on this plane and offset it on outside. Okay, so you can delete for every single outline on this rectangle. You can delete. Okay, then you can select arc. You can select arc, 2 point arc, and then you can draw the arc for every single corner. Okay, you can draw the arc for every single corner. Okay, so you have to push it up. You have to push it up approximately about 60 millimeter. Make group. Okay, and you can click about the material, so you can get about this. And so if you want to make it more smoother, if you want to make it more smoother, you can make the line in this position, and then you can click arc, click from this 2 point, and then you can drag to the right approximately just like this. Okay, well, and then you have to triple click this one and just select for every single edge only. You have to select for every single edge. Okay, include the curve on the every single corner, and then you can edit, copy, or Control C, and then you have to exit from the group, and then you have to edit, paste in place. Okay, so then we have to select this line. Okay, then you have to click follow me and paste this one. Okay, and it's done, and then you have to triple click, right click, and make group. Then you can give the material with a fabric material, maybe for synthetic surfaces. You can set the formica as brush gray. So this one, then you can set the color, edit with the RGB, and you can set the another all over parameter to the left or to the left or to the right, and then you have to click and make group. So then you have to duplicate. You have to duplicate it again, duplicate, control, and place on this position. So yeah, so you can scale this one, okay, and then so you can scale to be just a little larger than the bottom cushion. This one, I mean. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.